What is up, peeps? For today's video, for today's video, what is up, peeps? So alam ko at alam nyo rin naman, panigurado ramdam nyo din na yung mga bilihin ngayon talaga nagtataas na. At para sa ating mga riders, one way para makapagtipid maghanap ng murang gasolina. So if you're on a tight budget, dadalhin ko kayo sa mga gasolinahan na malimit na dadaanan ko na mura. Let's go! So ito yung isa, Fuel Force, located at Banay-Banay, here in Amadeo, Cavite. So Euro 5 diesel is 49.05, 91 octane is 51 and 50 cents. Premium is 51 pesos and 95 centavos. Ito lang siya, may katabing Jim's Grocery along Crisanto M. de los Reyes Avenue. So ito yung sunod, Oiland, also located at Crisanto M. de los Reyes Avenue, dito rin sa Banay-Banay, Amadeo, Cavite. So diesel is 49.05, green oil is 51 and 50 cents, premium is 52 pesos. And here's another one, Uno Fuel, also along Crisanto M. de los Reyes Avenue, pero hindi na siya sa Amadeo, Cavite. This is located at Havalera, General Trias, Cavite. Yan, malapit sa Eagle Ridge. Sa diesel 48.20, sa green is 51 and 10 cents, sa premium naman is 52 pesos and 5 cents. Let's move on to the next. So here's another one, Fuel Force ulit. So ito naman located along Governor's Drive dito sa General Trias. So ito yung mga prices niya. Diesel is 49 and 55 cents. Gas na 91 octane is 51.90 cents. Premium gas is 53 pesos and 10 cents. So ito pa yung isa along Governor's Drive din dito sa General Trias, katapat ng The Gentry Heights. Uno Fuel, medyo malabo yung price baka hindi makita sa camera pero kita ko naman. So start tayo sa diesel, 49 pesos and 55 cents. Maxi Green is 51 pesos and 90 cents. And Maxi Power is 53 pesos and 10 cents. So halos pareho sila ng presyo ng Fuel Force doon sa kabila. So ito pa yung isa, Refill Silang Highway. So ito ay located dito sa Biga Silang, malapit sa McDonald's, malapit sa Vista Mall Silang. At ito yung mga gas prices niya. I think ito yung pinakamura out of dun sa mga gasoline stations na sinabi ko. So diesel nila is 49 pesos and 5 cents. Regular gasoline 49 pesos and 95 cents. Ang premium gasoline nila is 50 pesos and 45 cents. So yun, kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga gasoline stations na yun ay located sa medyo upland Cavite. Kasi mostly doon lang ako dumadaan So if ever mapadaan kayo doon sa mga gasoline stations na yun and you need to fill up your tanks, you might wanna consider those. Sa mga areas nyo ba, magkano yung pinakamurang gasolina na mabibili sa mga gasoline stations nyo? Comment down below, baka mamaya mapadaan ako dyan kailangan ko magpagasolina, at least alam ko kung saan. By the way, kung nagustuhan nyo yung video, don't forget to comment, like, share, and follow for more. Peace. I'm out.